Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Postman series. So today in this video, we are going to see about what is workspace. So workspace is nothing like a kind of like a placeholder. So where you store your all work or API projects along with your team also, you can use the workspace. Okay. So workspace has four types of workspace. Okay, so you can see Postman workspace will help you to organize what API works and collaborate across your team or organization across the world also. Okay, so there are four kind of Postman workspaces are available. One is personal, and one is team, and one is partner and public. Okay, so here you can see public workspaces, team workspace, personal, and partner. Okay, so what is personal? So personal in the sense it will be applicable only for you. Okay, so the workspace will be visible only to you. Okay, so when it is come to team workspace, so the team is in the sense like you can add more people into the team to work in the collaborative mode. Okay, and when you go for a partner networks, so partner network it is more like a private thing. Okay, so and we have one more thing, public workspace. So whatever the workspace, I mean whatever the workspace that you create create in the public mode, so that will be applicable for everybody. Okay, everybody can see, everybody can come to the Postman and they can search for the workspace and they will find the collections or API work that you have done. Okay, so when it is, so when we can have the personal, so most of the time, so we will be working with the only personal, which is only visible for us. Okay, we don't want anybody else to participate or contribute to the our personal workspace. So when it's a team, okay, for the collaboration, you can invite team members to work on the same project. So for example, you might be in the different time zone and another resource will be in the, might be in another time zone. So in that cases, you can work it as a team. So like previous video, I have told you, right? So we can use the commands to communication purpose, what changes being made on this particular API and what is done on this, right? So for that kind of collaborative mode, we can use the team workspace and partner APIs. So this is more like a private thing. So this is only available on the paid version. So it is not available in the free one. And the public is it's open to everyone. Okay. So now if you go to the Postman and when you click on the workspace, so if you click on the create workspace here, so here you can see personal, private, team, and they have it. They have recently introduced the partner also. Okay, so only invited partners and the team members can access this. Okay, so this is new one, and personal is only for us. Okay, only you can access. So private in the sense private it will come with the professional version or the enterprise version. It is not available for the free version. Okay, and the team is, yeah, you can go for a team, but there is some restrictions where you can have only 3 members to the team when you use for the free version. Okay, and this is partner, again this is also paid version, so you can invite some partners to work on the this particular workspace, and public in the sense everybody can view that. Okay, so now for example, if you want to create a team workspace, so you can give some name like my team. Okay, so here you can create the workspace and you can give the summary also. So when you click on create workspace, so now it will create the workspace and you can collaborate, right? So if you want to invite someone, so you can just click on the invite button. So you can assign the role also. So they can be editor or they can be just only viewer. So by giving the email address, so here, so you can provide the email address like this. Okay, or you can directly provide the name also. So if they have Postman account, you can directly use their Postman account name also. So when you send the invite will be go to the particular email address or particular member that incorporated with the respective email address. So they can start working on this one. Okay, so if you want to manage workspace, so you can go here and we can go to view all workspace. So whatever the workspace that you have created, so you can see here. Okay, so these many workspace we have, and this is the one we have just created. So that's the reason it will come in the team workspace. You can see double human icon is coming. So which means this is a team workspace. Okay. So now this is a team workspace that we have created recently. So what you can do now, you can go to this particular workspace. you can go to the view all workspace. So you can see all the workspace that you have created. So this is the one which we created just now, my team. So by going here, what you can do know, if at all, like if you want to feel like, so you have created earlier personal workspace, which is only visible for you. So if you want to make it as a team workspace, so that customization also available. Okay, so here it is a team. So if you want to change it to personal, so you can change it to personal or you can change it to public also. Okay, but I think from team you cannot change to the personal. From personal, I think you can change to the team. Okay, let me see anything in my personal settings. I can change back to the normal one. Let me go to the all workspace. So this is my personal workspace. Let me try to convert this as a team workspace. Let's see. So you can go to the settings. Yeah, so you can see from personal to team, you can do that conversion. From team to personal, you cannot do the conversion because you might have some people added to the team. So if at all, like if you want to, I mean, that customization is applicable, but there are some conditions or limitations. Okay. So if you feel like I want to delete this workspace, so we are into the my team workspace. Okay. So here you can see this is my team workspace. So if you want to delete, you can delete them. So you just want to enter your team workspace name. So this is my name. I'm just clicking on the delete button. So this will be deleted. You can see my team workspace has deleted. Okay. So these are, I mean, there are a lot of options are available. So these are the most frequently used options for the workspace. Okay. So similarly, if you want to remove anything, you can remove. So whatever the workspace that you have created, if you want to convert them, or if you want to change the visibility or types of the workspace, you can change them. Okay. So that's all about the workspace video. So if you guys have any doubt or question, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you guys.